Cars are rolling into Brian's Motorsports. It's going to be a great night. This is the after party for the Kane Browns event that is all weekend. If you are unfamiliar with Brian's Motorsports, this is what they make. They can do everything from wheels, tires, suspension, tint, you name it. It can be done here at Brian's Motorsports. They're my go-to company for anything done to any of my trucks. They did an amazing job on the C10 build, lowering it, rims, all that stuff. You guys, as you can see behind me, we're back at Brian's for another after party. He does one for the Southeastern Truck Nationals, and he's bringing it back for Kane Browns weekend. It's gonna be a fun time. We'll take you around the shop, show you the builds here. Don't forget, please hit that like button. Go show Brian some love on their YouTube channel. I will collaborate with them. It should be a tag post in this. And, you know, like, subscribe, help run these views up. And we'll be at Kane Browns all weekend. We just left today, it's Friday. We'll be back tomorrow for more content from the Kane Brown Auto Experience. Let's get into this video and check out the rides. Let's go check out the showroom. As you can see, they have everything you need and in stock just outside of Nashville. And if you've been following us for a while, we have some rims coming for the golf cart trailer that we just purchased from Brian's Motorsports. guys definitely need to follow him on all social medias. I heard this thing is going to be tall, put it that way. This is the Big Deborah. Kicker, Automotive, speakers all over this thing.
Don't like me. Doing things like having.
Just took this setup to a car show last weekend, and wow, it gets some looks, that's for sure.
Mess up your film.
Hey, thank you, bud.
Yeah. That's the difference. The chrome with this.
The real Dayton's got that that's triple chrome. What you got is the mobile.
Catch up, wait.
Call themselves the Dually Kings. Yep, that's for a reason. This right here, go to their channel, check out the build on this F250. Great video, they put a lot of time in it.
You there now? Oh no.
I went and hung like pictures and curtain board one day.
Sorry. What man? Coming
You were Gallatin with a quickness, weren't you? Yeah, really.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kind of hard being Snoop D or Double G's, but I somehow, some way keep coming. I kick a little something for the nigga view. So I'm getting on in the party, still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got this in the living room, getting the nose. They ain't moving till 6 in the morning.
It's safe to say, yeah, it's a party.
So turn off the lights and close.
Catch me on the interstate, I'm jumping up off the meter, gotta make another play, I'm on the way, I get ready.
What a great time at Brian's again. This event is always a good event. Always feel like family here. Don't forget, subscribe to their YouTube channel. Check out that F250 build. They did a great job on the video and it deserves some views and likes. And check out video on the left and the right. We'll see you guys tomorrow at Kane Brown's for Saturday's event.